divisions are coming out after TMC expressed no confidence in Congress. Now West Bengal Congress chief attacks Mamta and TMC labels it as a BJP agent, blames it for disunity in Indi bloc. That is right. Now, what we see right now is that in West Bengal itself, the Indi bloc looks like once again that they are not on the same page. I repeat, it looks like the Indi bloc is not on the same page after we saw that Lalu Prasad Yadav has backed Mamta Banerjee to lead the Indi bloc. On the other hand, we see that within the Congress, not everybody wants Mamta Banerjee to lead the Indi bloc. After TMC has said that they have no confidence in Congress, now West Bengal Congress chief attacked Mamta and TMC labeling it. I repeat, the West Bengal Congress is calling the TMC a BJP agent and blaming it for disunity in the Indi bloc. So that is what we're learning of right now on Republic TV. We'll try to connect to our reporters as well in a short while from now, because as we see, there's a big rift in the Indi bloc over who is going to be leading the Indi bloc. We know that that spot is coveted by not just Mamta Banerjee, in fact, by other leaders. So this is what is going on right now, viewers. Bengal Congress is taking on Mamta Banerjee as power tussle continues within the Indi bloc. In fact, the West Bengal Congress is going to the extent of saying that Mamta Banerjee is the reason behind the disunity in the Indi bloc. Going on to even say, the Congress going on to even say in West Bengal that Mamta Banerjee is an agent of the BJP. So this is what we are learning of right now, where we see that the Bengal Congress President Shubhankar Sarkar has said that the BJP has entrusted West Bengal CM Mamta Banerjee with disturbing the opposition. The Bengal Congress has alleged amid the tug of war in the Indi bloc over leading the alliance. And let's go across to my colleague joining us from our newsroom, Samiksha joining us. You know, Samiksha, I'm coming across to you. The Congress is not very happy with the Mamta Banerjee leading the Indi bloc, the kind of updates that we have for our viewers. One, we saw a Congress MP, prominent Congress MP, calling this a joke. And now we see that the West Bengal Congress is calling Mamta Banerjee and the TMC an agent of the BJP. Go ahead, Samiksha.
Well, Shivangi, important to highlight here that there are clearly two factions in the Indi bloc. One that is pushing for Mamta Banerjee to lead the Indi bloc, and the second is for Uddhav Thackeray. We do not know if there is going to be a third faction pitching for Arvind Kejriwal tomorrow. But yes, for now, clearly there is a division in the Indi bloc. There is a clamour that there is a need for change in Indi leadership. One hand, we have Lalu Prasad Yadav, the JDU leader, and others also who are calling for Mamta Banerjee to lead the opposition bloc, but the UBT Sena is saying that it should be none other than Uddhav Thackeray who should be leading the opposition bloc. Parallelly, there is a Congress versus TMC happening in West Bengal once again, with like you mentioned, the West Bengal Congress chief who's taken on Mamta Banerjee, calling her nothing but an agent of the BJP. In fact, just to quote an excerpt, a highlight from what the statement that he's put out, he says, recently the Chief Minister of West Bengal in an interview expressed a desire to lead the Indi bloc. Any alliance partner may claim and want to lead the Indi alliance. However, Mamta Banerjee's action has on several occasions provided oxygen to the BJP and derailed a united opposition front when the BJP is in crisis. So a very strong statement coming in from the West Bengal Congress chief, who says, has alleged that TMC has been working at the behest of the BJP. Inadvertently, though, he further goes on to say that I deem it fit to remind everyone that Congress under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi has been countering and fighting the undemocratic, dogmatic and communal politics of the BJP since the beginning. Rahul even started and led to yatras, the Bharat Jodo Yatra, the Nyaya Yatra, to connect with all the masses. And look at the paradox here, Shivangi. While the West Bengal Congress chief says that Rahul Gandhi held two yatras, the Bharat Jodo Yatra and even the Nyaya Yatra, Nyaya Yatra, even then, the Congress has faced a massive defeat in the Maharashtra elections, and even the chorus now growing louder that there is a need for change in leadership in the Indy bloc. The Indy partners clearly divided on whether it's going to be Mamata Banerjee, whether it should be Mamata Banerjee or Uddhav Thackeray, who should be leading the Indy bloc.